Hi everyone, my name is Johanna and my presentation for this week is on WebP Images. So what are WebP Images? WebP Images are a modern image format that was created by Google. It was announced in 2010, but it is still not universally compatible. Internet Explorer and Safari are some of the browsers that still do not support WebP Images. WebP Images reduce the file size with the minimal loss of quality of the image with lossy and lossless compression. Lossy compression is irreversible and it uses a YUV420 image format. Lossless compression is reversible and it uses the RGBA image format. WebP images are derived from the VP8 video format. VP8 is a video compression format that was created by On2 Technologies, and they found out that this video format also really worked well on images, and that's where we got WebP Images from. The max size of a WebP image is 16,383 by 16,383 pixels. Overall, it creates smaller images that look better and help make websites faster. How can you create a WebP image? You can add a plugin to Photoshop to add WebP support, and there are several free apps that you can download, or you can use free websites and create extensions that you can use on your browser. So what are the benefits of using WebP images? WebP images make the website run faster, and it typically has 30% more compression than JPEG images and 45% more than PNG images, without the loss of the image quality. It can be used on graphics and photography. It can be done in lossy or lossless format. You can choose which one you want to do. It can help with low bandwidth and slow connection speeds. So some examples that I have. This first one, it starts at 1,781 kilobytes, and when it's converted, it goes to 1,250 kilobytes. So the image size went down quite a bit, and the link right here is what I used to convert my image. And you can also see that the image quality between the two, the color looks a little bit different, but overall the image quality has stayed the same. And here's another example that I have. It's a picture of my dog. The original file starts at 470 kilobytes, and the second one of the converted image is now 269 kilobytes, so that went down by about 200 kilobytes, so it went down by a lot, and for a website that would be a lot faster for the website to load. And again, here's the same link that I used to convert this image. And if you have any questions, put it in the discussion below and I will answer your questions the best that I can.